you ever seen a really interesting video on Facebook or any other social media platform and you're thinking to yourself, I wish I could save this video directly to my phone? Maybe it's a funny video, an inspirational video, or even a recipe you want to try out, or maybe just a random video you want to watch later when you do not have internet. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can download videos from Facebook and other social media platform and save them directly to your phone using just the Xender app. Don't worry, you do not need a laptop or any complicated software. So are you ready? Let's get straight into the video.
To get started, I'll be using Facebook for this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial. So you log into your Facebook app. For the sake of this tutorial, just head straight to Reels. So you click on Reels, and when the Reel plays, you're going to see a 3 dots the right down side of the Reels. When you click on it, you're going to see your story, messenger, copy link, group, and the rest. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy the link of that reel. So when you copy the link of the reel, we are going to go straight to our Xender app. If you don't have Xender, you can get Xender from the app store, Play Store for Android, and also Apple Store for iPhone, in case you're using iPhone. So when you go to your Xender, you're going to see on the down part in our Xender app, we're going to see music, video AI, the share button, and music AI. Then you're going to see social. That's where you're going to click on. You're going to click on social, the place that is written social. So when you click on social, it's going to bring you to an interface that looks like this. When you see like this, then you're just going to click on paste, download and paste. Paste and download. That's where you're just going to, when you click on that place, you're just going to paste that link you copied. Remember the link we copied for our video, right? Yes, that's where you're going to paste the link. After pasting the link, you are allowed to analyze the link. This first link I copied, it seems the link was broken. Look at it, it did not download. The link was broken. So we are going to go back to Facebook, and we're going to look for another link to copy. Another thing is that if you're not logged in, when you go to the Xender app, it's going to ask you to actually log in your social media handle inside the app so that it can gain access to your social media. So when you log in, you're going to be able to download those links you copy. So we're going to copy this one. I didn't even watch this one, so I don't even know what it contains, but then we're just going to copy it and go back to our Xender app. So we're going to go back to our Xender app now to paste this link we just copied, and you're going to allow it to analyze. Sometimes it takes some moments, and also sometimes they display ad, but the ad is not really necessary. It's not like it's a must that you must watch the ad to be able to download what you want to download. It's just there. You can cut off the ad, you can remove the ad and just continue what you're doing. So now our link is analyzing, and let's see what is going to give us. I pray this one is not so broken. So let me remove the ad so we can see if it has downloaded, since it has stopped analyzing. Yes, our video is downloading. Our link is not broken, neither is it private. So let's see what it's going to give us. It takes some time, so you just have to apply some patience. Our video has been downloaded. See, so this is the video I copied the link. Sorry, they display ad. As long as your data is on, they are going to display ad for you. Just left for you to remove the ad and continue what you're doing. And like I said before, the ad is not a must. So this is the video we copied, its link. Yes, this is it, and that's how you just, very simple, you just get to download your video and do whatever you want to do with it.
You intend to go into the reaction niche, or you're trying to simply add videos clips together from Facebook or other social media platform, this is an easy and fast way you can download save videos from Facebook and other social media platform directly into your phone. And that's basically how you can do that. So besties, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and also stick around for more videos like this. Hi, my name is Favor, and on this channel I share YouTube tips, editing tutorials, and other social media hacks. If this sounds like your vibe, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, besties. Bye.